Hi, this is Steve Moss, Dean's Team Chicago, Keller Williams Realty Partners. Here's another Chicago Neighborhood Real Estate Minute. You know, real estate is more than simply purchasing and owning your own home. Many have made a comfortable additional income, or perhaps even their primary income, which is sizable, by investing in real estate. Now, there's several proven paths to achieve this. Finding a property that requires only nominal fix-up and repair can quickly be rented to tenants. Assuming the gross rent exceeds your monthly operating expenses, you'd potentially receive a nice stream of monthly income in addition to a considerable tax benefit at the end of each year. Now, at some point, you'll be able to sell the property and split the profits to invest in additional rental properties and get even more revenue. Now, once you become experienced at renting out a smaller property, investing in a larger multifamily building can yield even higher revenue, with normal maintenance costs spread across multiple units rather than just the one unit. Some investors buy and flip properties, but doing so is often risky. A safer route would involve buying a property in need of some repair, upgrading it so a tenant can live there comfortably, and then selling it a year or so down the line. You'll likely end up with a better return with an interim tenant paying your holding costs for that year. Have questions? Well, our team can help you with those answers. Read our full blog post via blogchicagohomes.com. You can comment below for a quick reply or call us 773-290-8393. You can also check us out online at deanteamchicago.com and start your social media search via Facebook, facebook.com/Chicago Real Estate Team.